What if I told you that this Python program can crack your password in seconds? Don't worry, this is not for hacking your passwords, it's pure logic. Let me show you how computers actually break passwords. So here's the idea. You enter a password. The program guesses it character by character. It tries letters, numbers and symbols and slowly builds the correct password. This method is called a brute force attack. First we have to import a string module. Okay, to import that we have to do import string. Import string actually gives us ready-made characters like lowercase alphabets A to Z, uppercase alphabets A to Z, numbers and symbols. Okay, next we take the password input. Okay, we have to take the password from the user. This is just to store it. You have to store the password of the user somewhere to guess it what the password actually is. Okay, enter your password. Now we define all the characters the computer is allowed to try, and we have to store it in a single variable called cats. Okay, we have to use string dot ASCII letters plus string dot digits plus all the special characters in a single string. Okay, like this. You can add anything. Now it will store. Okay, this variable will store the correct password step by step. Okay, so for now we are declaring it an empty string. Okay, now comes the code logic. Okay, now you have to focus more carefully. For P in password, it will take each character from the password. Now for C in cats, it will check all the characters that are containing in the cats variable. If the character is equal to the letter of the password, then we have to add it to the correct portion of the password. Then we can print the correct password till now. Then we can break from the loop. Break means we're exiting from the loop. Okay, we do not have any need to check more further. If our password's letter is A and it is equal to A, so why we need to check with B, C or further more letters? So this outer loop goes through the real password. Okay, and this inner loop try every possible character the letter of the password can contain. So now when it finds a match, it locks it in. Now we are using break to move to the next character. So now our code is completed. This is exactly how brute force logic works. Finally, we are so confident that we already cracked your password. So we are printing password cracked. Okay. Now let's check our code works or not. Now we have to enter our private password. So my email's password is CCA, and that's how our password is cracked. So this is not for actually cracking anyone's password. This is just the magical use of loops to check anything by iterating through letters. Now let's check this if you can crack it or not. That's how the computer cracked our password. Okay, this is how brute force logic works. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like